This is how I managed to make $2.5 thousand in 1 week after creating 2 online courses that I had absolutely no idea about their subjects at the beginning of the week. So as you may or may not know, I'm very good at creating online courses. I have taught more than 40,000 students from all around the world into various subjects that I'm very passionate about. And in general, I'm very intrigued by the mechanisms behind online course marketplaces, okay? Udemy, Skillshare, how to upload courses there, how to script the courses, shoot, edit the courses, then edit the thumbnails and market the courses correctly. So I'm very good at this. So one day, as I'm checking my instructor stats on Skillshare or Udemy, I get a message on LinkedIn by a guy that wants to hire me to instruct one of his courses. So I say, okay, yeah, sure, let's hop on a Zoom call and let's discuss this in person. So we hop on the Zoom call with this man, let's call him Bob. And Bob tells me that he needs an instructor for a course called Artificial Intelligence Tools for Students and Researchers, and he needs this course ready fast. Now keep in mind that I had a very small experience on artificial intelligence. I just used ChatGPT for my online course, Search Engine Optimization. And I also had a very little experience in research. Okay, I study medicine, so I have done some research, but some very basic stuff. But I was really intrigued by Bob's offer. So I go ahead and ask him, okay, how soon do you want this course to be ready? And Bob highlighted again the word fast. Now, one of the main things that I teach in this channel, and one of the key points that I highlight in every single one of my videos, is that in the online course marketplace, speed is the most important thing. How fast can you script, edit, and shoot a course? So I go ahead and ask Bob, how fast do you want this course to be ready? And Bob replies that he needs a whole 2-hour course in which I analyze 8 different artificial intelligence tools for students and researchers and how they're implemented in modern research in less than 7 days. And this is a huge coincidence because the most successful course that I personally sell is a 7-day course creation program in which I take a complete beginner and teach him how to create and sell an online course in 7 days. So I saw this as an amazing opportunity and I signed the contract with Bob. Now, needless to say that the next days were full of very hard work. I spent a big amount of time scripting, creating PowerPoint presentations, and shooting all of the lessons for this course. So I hop on the Zoom call with Bob, ready to listen to his complaints, and Bob goes ahead and tells me, Lams, the course is amazing, the lessons are amazing, we're really impressed, and we need a favor from you. And I'm like, okay, what's the favor? And Bob goes like, the instructor of another course that was supposed to be done in 2 days from now quit, and we urgently need you to instruct another course called Artificial Intelligence Tools for Designers. Now, keep in mind that I am not an expert in artificial intelligence and I have absolutely no idea in design. So what did I do? I asked Bob how fast he wanted this course to be done. And keep in mind, this is again a 2-hour course in which I should go through 8 different artificial intelligence tools for designers. So I go ahead and ask Bob, how fast do you need this done? And he replies, we need this done in 2 days. So I close the Zoom call and I sign the contract. And I signed myself into a deal in which I need to script, shoot, edit, and pretty much learn everything regarding those 8 artificial intelligence tools for designers in 2 days. But I was very determined to get this challenge to the end, to complete this challenge, to complete a 2-hour course ready to be sold in less than 2 days. So in the next 2 days, I was very focused and I worked deeply in this course. And by the end of the second day, I actually managed to send everything over. After reviewing all of the lessons, all 8 lessons that I sent on those 8 different artificial intelligence tools for designers, Bob told me that the lessons looked amazing, the video looked amazing, the audio sounded amazing, and everything was said and done. So they went ahead and paid me $2.5 thousand for all of my work during this week. Now, after receiving the payment for those 2 courses that I completed in just 1 week, I had a moment to reflect on the output that I had on that previous week. And I thought to myself that this art of being able to script, shoot, edit, upload, and market online courses is one of the most useful skills that someone could master in our modern times. you do realize the extreme utility of being able to teach anything you want in less than 7 days to potentially millions of students. So I think that this is extremely cool, and I'm very happy and grateful of being able to teach the art of online course creation and how to create an online course business to all of you guys in this channel right here. So thank you very much. I hope that this story inspired you, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.